True Jamaican vibes for Reid. So guys, welcome back to the channel. So right now I am in Mandeville, Manchester. So it's about 4:25 p.m. the 25th of October. So you know, tropical storm Melissa, they say it's about to hit Jamaica. So this is Mandeville, Manchester, guys. Yeah man, we see what going up in the town area, what it look like. So leave in the comment section where you're watching from. Yeah man, tell me where you now watch from. So I'm a tour guide for Reid. So you know, today is Saturday, them time here, Mandeville would have busy. Mandeville, Manchester. I think everyone's supposed to go on home. So guys, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. So I'm giving an update of our beautiful Jamaica. Yeah man, this is before the storm Melissa. Leave in the comment section where you're watching from. So it's now 4:26. I see we're seeing dark clouds. So welcome to Mandeville Park, right in front of us. I'm making a left turn, going towards the police station. Wow, look at the clouds in Manchester, Mandeville, Manchester, guys. What will it be like? Lord, just please protect us, you know. Guide us from the storm, yeah. Just turn it around, send it back to the sea. Watch yourself in the road, yo. Watch yourself. Big up yourself, peace officer. Bring up yourself, bossy. Like you have some ackee there. Ackee and fried dumpling at this time, and nice. Yes, my people, will you eat some ackee and fried dumpling at this time where I come? Tell me, what would you eat when you're having the storm in Jamaica? Yeah, man, you know, fried dumpling and Milo. Yeah, man, when the rain a fall, but when you see when the breeze a blow, no, we have to have the hand pan we head. I wonder, say, what next? Dark clouds on our window. Yeah, man, I see them block up road, you know. Up at top, me know so up at top clear them now and move out of the way. I saw them stay in Jamaica like people now have nowhere to go. I don't understand that. Why? Why? Yes, my beautiful paper. Excelsior, Jamaica favorites. Yeah. Indicate where you're watching from if you like to see Manchester. Yeah, man, leave a big thumbs up, also a comment. I really appreciate the likes. Yeah, man, this is how the channel will grow. One thing me can't tell us, you know, my people. Rain, shine or storm, Jamaican people gonna party. Jamaican people going to party. Rain, sun or shine or storm, Jamaica people will be partying, right? See dark clouds moving over there in the sky. Wow, look at that. Yes, my people. Heading towards the stoplight to Mega Mart in Mandeville, Manchester, guys. Give me a big like, also a comment. Share the video for me, please. This is before. I would love to give you all an update after this pass. It shall pass. Mandeville, Manchester, man. So thank you guys for watching the channel. True Jamaican Vibes for Reid.